going on, everybody? Welcome to Fishing Texas. We're back here at Louisville. It's 8:02. Getting out here a little late, but we're gonna hit a couple different spots today than the last video. They're really starting to switch into the fall transition right now, just because the water temps are getting a little colder because the nights have been cooling down. So we're gonna see what we can get into. Alrighty, so we're here at this little island. Just coming here to see what they're doing. It's pretty close to deep water, like I said in the last video. Fall transition. They're wanting to come up and feed pretty quickly. So really focused in on bait fish right now. So we'll see what happens. So there's like 2 rock points that come out here. You can kind of see that rock pile right there, right before the tree. And it comes out like way out, and then that point literally goes like way out there. We've caught fish all out in that point. Oh, that did not sound good. Oof. Come on. There's one. Pretty decent one. Oh yeah. We got ourselves one, boys. Yeah. Just started swimming with it. Pretty nice one. Get in here. Get in here. First one of the day. Right off that point, like I said. Just came out. I was on Texas rig. It's a pumpkin Senko right off the point. Probably 1.5, 2 pounder there. Let him go. There goes. Oh my. What the hell? That's a fish. Yeah. He hit that like a freight train. Is that another spot? Can't. Oh, he's chunky. He's a chunky guy. Yep, it's a spotted bass. Spotted bass. But he's got sharp teeth. I don't know if y'all can see that. He got some sharp teeth. You need some more crawfish. Wow. Get back on track. We're good. Alrighty. You ready to move?
Yeah.
Backlash. You get a bite? Hook sets are free. Oh, he got himself one. Nice. Oh, that's a huge spot. Buddy Heston just got himself a pretty decent sized spot there. We'll let him go. There he goes. He caught him on just it's like a white pearl, just plastic swim bait. Is that your biggest spot? Really? That's a good first spot then. That's a big spot. For this lake at least, that's a big spot. Oh!
No!
Oh, I saw. Oh, he came off.
That wasn't a bass.
Yeah, that was a tiny little guy.
Drag slip. Why?
All right, so we just graphed over this main lake point here. I'll show you where we are on the lake. So here's the Hickory Creek arm. Came down here, graphed over this point. There's some structure that's on this waypoint right here that I marked. And we side scanned and graphed over it, and didn't really see anything. So we're gonna be fishing this little cove here. It's got all sorts of structure and crap in it, so see if we can't get anything. Fishing this point. It's pretty windy today, so all right, let's go eat.
Tough scenes out here, man.
Oh yeah, it got tough real quick. Alrighty everyone, we're back at the house. Fishing is tough. It got real tough. We had bird blue skies and the fishing just got slow. I think it got up to like 75 today, which isn't too bad, but it would have definitely helped to have clouds. It was about 11 o'clock is when that sun really came out and fishing just died. So I want to thank y'all for watching Fishing Texas. Please hit the subscribe button and we'll catch y'all on the next one.